Hey everyone, this is Russell Brunson. I want to welcome you to affiliatebootcamp.com, and during this free presentation, I'm going to show you guys how if you follow a very simple process for less than an hour a day for 100 days, by the end of that process, you will have enough residual income coming in that you can be completely retired, your car payments will be taken care of. I want you to understand that every single time you refer someone to ClickFunnels for free and they get a free trial, after the 14 days, then they upgrade, and the cool thing is that you get paid. All the people you sign up for a free trial, when after the trial's over, if they're at the $97 a month level, it means you're going to get about, it's a little bit less than this, but about $40 per month as long as they remain a member. For everyone who signs up at the $297 level, it means you're going to be getting like $120. It's a little bit less than that, but about $120 a month as an affiliate. Basically, all you do is you wake up every morning and say, okay, how can I give away just one trial per day? If I give away one trial per day, what am I doing? I'm literally giving myself a raise every day. This should be your mantra. You should hang it up on your wall. You should have as big as you can see saying, I want to give myself a raise today. How do I give myself a raise today? Because all you gotta do is get one person and you give yourself a raise every single day. The other thing we're gonna do is as soon as you get 100 members, we are actually gonna pay the lease on your dream car. So I'm curious, what is your dream car? Okay, everyone is different. It might be a Corvette, might be a Ferrari, might be a Lamborghini, might be a station wagon, might be a minivan, might be a Yukon, might be a Denali. Everyone's picture of a dream car is different. I'm guessing though for you, your dream car is definitely gonna have a lightning stripe on the side, am I right? Okay, so you get your dream car. We will cover the lease payment on your dream car up to $500 a month as soon as you have 100 customers. And when you have 200 active customers, we cover up to $1,000 a month. Now, $1,000 a month will give you almost any car you want. Okay, that'll cover the lease payment on a Tesla, on a Ferrari, on a Corvette. It's pretty amazing. And so as soon as you do that, okay, as soon as you guys get one trial a day, every single day for just 100 days, at that point, it literally gives you the ability where you can retire. You guys getting this? Let's do the math. If I get 100 people to sign up and they have active accounts, my residual commission check each month is $4,000 a month. 2 a day, that gives you 200 accounts. That makes your residual income check, excuse me, I'm not even 4, we're at 8K per month. If you do the math on that, that's 96K per year. Okay, and that's assuming you work for 100 days, took the rest of the year off. Now, for those of you guys who are overachievers and you decide to work for 110 days or 120 days, that 96 quickly becomes 100K. The 100K quickly becomes 200K. The 200K quickly becomes 250K, and it keeps going up from there. Okay? Not to mention the fact that your car payment for your dream car, not some lame car, but your dream car is covered as well.